What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing some creek fishing out here, kayaking out here down the creek. So mainly we're targeting smallmouth, pretty much only smallmouth out here. So yeah, hopefully we're gonna get on some fish. It's gonna be a pretty nice journey going down this creek. So yeah, there is some big smallmouth in here. I've seen them, caught a couple before. So yeah, hopefully it's gonna be nice. No, doesn't feel too big. Nice, there we go. First smallmouth of the day. Just get him unhooked here and I'll show you guys. Struggling a little bit here. Not bad. First creek smallmouth of the day. Well, hopefully we're gonna get some more soon. So yeah, not bad for a start. Got one. Doesn't feel too big, but nice little smallmouth. Just show you guys it move out of this spot real quick. See, not bad. Nice little guy. I want to move from here though because I feel like there's some more right there. No, fuck. It's tangled up. Yeah, not bad though. Got one right now. Small guy, but he's fighting like crazy. Nice little small one. Yeah, I'm recording. Nice guy. Got another one over here. Nice little smallie. Nice, nice, nice. All they're kidding is this little beetle spin right here. So yeah, not bad, not bad. Hopefully some more to come. So yeah, another one. Small guy though. Not bad. These smallmouth though from this creek, they fight like crazy. It sucks because you catch a little one, then you're gonna fucking go all the way down. Yeah, not bad though. I got a small one right now. Not bad. Nice little guy. I recorded, but caught a little rock bass right now. Not bad. We got a nice little one right here. Little guy. Nice little smallie. Not bad. Oh fuck. Not bad though. Yeah. Nice little smallie. There you go. Nice little one.